As a business owner, you're always looking for ways to save money and make smart investments. Did you know that Section 179 of the IRS tax code allows you to deduct the full purchase price of qualifying equipment and software you purchase or finance during the tax year? That means when you invest in essential tools for your business, like a Trotec Laser, you can write off the entire cost, reducing your taxable income and keeping more money in your pocket. Here's how it works. Under Section 179, instead of depreciating equipment over several years, you can deduct up to the full amount in the year it's purchased. This applies to new and used equipment, including the high-performance Trotec laser systems. Trotec lasers are perfect for businesses looking to streamline production, increase precision, and expand product offerings. Whether you're cutting, engraving, or marking, Trotec lasers offer unparalleled speed and accuracy. And the best part? By leveraging Section 179, your Trotec laser purchase doesn't just improve your business capabilities, it also improves your bottom line. Take advantage of this powerful tax benefit and upgrade your business today with a Trotec laser. You'll boost productivity, increase profits, and enjoy significant tax savings in the process. It's a win-win investment that pays off, both now and in the future.